like pink.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm not actually in Brighton at the moment. I'm visiting my family, but I'll be back tomorrow, or sort of any time after that.
Oh, right. Do you do delivery or will I have to come pick it up?
That can pick up really, I'm afraid.
All right, okay.
Where are you in Brighton?
Near Brighton.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I live fairly near, sort of quite central.
Oh, that's good, yeah. Right, just a few questions about it, really.
Yeah, sure.
Does it have any holes in?
Any holes?
Yeah, just like little nips here and there. Or is it brand new?
Oh, yeah, brand new. I bought it for Halloween to the zombie walk last year, and then I decided to go a completely different outfit, so it's just been kind of sitting around.
Oh, right, so you're going to be
Halloween, yeah.
scary cheerleader.
Yeah, I was going to get the zombie cheerleader, and then I just went with something else.
Oh, that's good. Right, okay, you selling it for £8?
Yeah, I mean, I had it on there for a bit more, and I didn't get any response, so I just thought, you know.
Oh,
It's
right.
been sitting in a drawer since October, so I thought there's no point sort of keeping it.
Oh, right, yeah, that's good. Right, so you say you're not back this weekend, no?
I'll be back tomorrow, probably about sort of 5, 6 o'clock-ish.
All right, okay.
It's a few hours on the train, so I don't know like exactly what time.
Oh, all right, okay, yeah, that's good. So if I give you a bell tomorrow?
Yeah, that'd be cool. I mean, did you sort of need it quite soon?
Yeah, it's, I'm going out on Sunday night. Fancy dress.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Right. I mean, I'll be home. I should be home by about 6-ish tomorrow. So I could probably like meet you in town if that's easier, or I don't know. Do you know Brighton Hospital?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, do you know sort of Kent Town area?
Roughly, but I've got sat nav. I'll just pump in your postcode.
Okay. Yeah. I live on Upper Rock Gardens. That's why I think this is the down number, isn't it? So let's get your number here, and I can let you know.
All right, okay, yeah. I'll give you a bell tomorrow anyway. Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, if you call me sort of after 5, I should be home then.
Okay, that's perfect.
Cool. What's your name?
Julie.
Julie. Cool. Alright, then I'll speak to you tomorrow, Julie.
Okay, thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
That's alright.
Bye bye.
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 That was good. She sounded like a cheerleader, didn't she?